powerful logging machines in action. This video showcases the fastest, most dangerous tree cutting and stump removal machines on the planet. Experience the raw power, speed, and precision of these unstoppable beasts as they take on nature's toughest challenges. Buckle up, this is extreme logging like you've never seen before.
Holy shit!
The Valmet 921 you are looking at is a Cummins engine capable of handling 21.5 tons. This is not just about brute force. We are also talking about cutting-edge control systems built for optimum efficiency and minimum environmental impact. This operator is taking on those obstinate stumps with the powerful Carlton 7015 TRX. Oh my, look at this terrifying Cat 349F in action. The 61-inch bucket is just mind-blowing, but hold for a second, how are they going to manage those enormous stumps? Please subscribe for more incredible tech videos and hit that like button. Seeing a mill like Paul Oak's still in business is incredible. The individuals working there are obviously experts in their field, and the mill stands as a monument to a time when lumber was economically vital. Submerging the logs prevents deterioration and bugs from getting to them. This is real lumber production, folks. You can smell the freshly cut wood and hear the rhythmic chug of the steam engine. Seeing those massive timbers sliced is like listening to a performance of classical workmanship. Volvo loader effortlessly lifts a staggering 19 tons. Their professional driver is sure to make short work of the unloading process. This Fendt 942 Vario needs to be seen. This incredible machine is a game changer when coupled with a Gens HEM 583 wood chipper. The Vario has the power to tackle any terrain, and the HEM 583 can gnaw through big logs like they're nothing. Maximizing productivity for any forestry business, this combo is all about efficiency and power. This is the John Deere, and it's absolutely beastly. You won't believe the price range. A used one will cost you a steal between $175,000 and $245,000, but a new one will set you back $437,000. gigantic gum tree will be chopped down in a matter of seconds by this Vermeer BC 2000 XL watch. Well folks, I have something truly remarkable to show you. This is the John Deere 1270E harvester equipped with the H425 head. It's a productivity monster, boasting 255 horsepower, an 8.6 meter crane reach, and a head that can effortlessly chop through trees up to 750 millimeters in diameter. Now, I must admit that it isn't cheap, costing $331,000 for the 1270E and $47,000 for the H425. But believe me, the investment is well worth it. Check out this impressive Belarus tractor and its do-it-yourself trailer. It's the ultimate logging machine, effortlessly navigating through a muddy forest. Just goes to show that sometimes the greatest solutions are the ones you make yourself. An affordable option for individuals in need of occasional lumber production. The Norwood Portamill PM14 can be converted from a chainsaw into a milling tool for logs up to 14 inches in diameter. This portable sawmill, which costs $880 US, offers professional milling capabilities without the high expense of a full-size sawmill. How about we have a truck discussion? Quickly and easily unload any type of package using this machine's several gripper options. The best part is that it can grab the entire load at once, making it ideal for any task. Just picture yourself piloting a majestic John Deere tractor through the woods at high speed, its engine rumbling like a symphony of power and accuracy. Feel the exhilaration of overcoming difficult slopes and effortlessly hauling massive logs on an exhilarating trip that will bring out your inner child. I would never dream of trying to navigate a treacherous slope the way that truck does. It's as if the driver and the truck are performing a perilous tango. If this video blew your mind, drop a comment below. Your support fuels our creative fire and keeps us bringing you more epic content. You need to see this Holzmerke Lautenberger. It's more than just a business. It's a demonstration of the German engineering genius at work. Their fully automated production line is absolutely mind-blowing, turning rough lumber into flawless planks with surgical precision. It's like a technological performance that leaves you in awe. Our timber carrying operation is proceeding as planned, unabated, and in spite of the difficult road conditions caused by the recent rainfall. Our heavy machinery is prepared to handle any obstacle that comes our way. It is quite difficult to transport large amounts of wood on routes such as these. Not everything goes according to plan, and you should constantly be ready to face unforeseen dangers. The constant enemy of logging trucks and mud has gained its prize, a payload abandoned, a temporary surrender, but freedom is the final victory. Even a beast like the Valmet 840.3 must yield to Mother Nature's fury. Get ready to be blown away. Let us raise a glass to innovation and responsible forestry because the Ponzi Scorpion King and the H7 Harvester Head are about to change the game when it comes to interacting with nature, allowing us to harvest timber more efficiently while reducing our environmental footprint. It amazed me with how fast it cut through the wood. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Nature's mighty might is glaringly seen here, because extracting the root ball is a sensitive and sometimes dangerous operation. Iraqi Forest T26A is leading the charge to make reforestation operations more effective and sustainable. It is a remarkable example of human creativity in action. That is absolutely the most bizarre thing I've seen this week. I really hope everyone is okay. By the way, the next time you should just call a tree service. That Husqvarna 395 XP is, without a question, an excellent tool. However, keep in mind that down a tree of that size is no little feat. In fact, it's twice as difficult and deadly as everybody imagines. Dealing with a tree is a major task. It is not only about picking a saw and heading to town. With each step properly planned and carried out here, a precise approach is very vital. Regardless of our efforts to manipulate the tree's fall direction, the tree ultimately determines which way it will hit the road. The natural world astounds me time and time again, yet the choices we make as humans can be perplexing at times. They chopped it down for whatever reason I don't understand, but I suppose everything happens for a purpose. Ever witnessed a professional logger in action? They have an uncanny ability to sense even the most minute changes in the environment, which allows them to keep themselves and anyone around them safe. With the perfect combination of precision and power, even the mightiest giants bow down before a Husqvarna 392 XPG, a steel 36 bar, and a deft hand. The atmosphere is electric with anticipation as the bark sways in perfect harmony with the steel, and you're about to be enthralled as this magnificent giant meets its untimely end. Wow, it was really intense. I will definitely limit myself to cutting firewood in my backyard from now on. I had no clue logging could be so daring. Dude, this road is very horrible. I seriously can't handle driving on it. These individuals are incredible. If you're like the man who didn't understand the tree was under so much tension before the incident, you don't know what a fallen tree really looks like until it falls. The Japanese have a long history of respecting nature and working in harmony with it. It requires a deep knowledge of tree biology, precise calculations, and specialized equipment. This operation most certainly required careful preparation and execution, which is evidence of their talent and commitment. Wow, watch how they manage those branches. It's not easy as it looks. Notice how the climber adapts to the movement of the helicopter. That's really important when dealing with such massive machinery and unexpected winds. Put your well-being first and make sure you escape smoothly when the load is reduced. What a ride! The sheer power, speed, and precision of these machines are mind-blowing. If you enjoyed the action, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more extreme logging madness. Thanks for watching!